Will, talk soon.
Oh, welcome to geometry, ladies and gentlemen.
I love that for us. Okay, so here's our last thing that we learn in this chapter that has taken forever. You're going to give me 10 minutes. I'm going to stop talking in 10, and then you're going to have the rest of the time to practice. It was so nice yesterday. I've been checking out homework, and people are like, oh, my God, I had it done. I didn't even know. So the last thing we're doing is called segment magic. You know me, segment magic. Now, most teachers teach this in one day. I'm going to teach it in 2 days because I want you guys to really get it. So today, you may lightly cross this off. I will be giving you this exact thing tomorrow, right? We're going to talk about pieces of circle, little cords, the little toothpicks that cross inside. So the first thing I want you to do is with your pencil or somewhere, I need you to write really big inside. I want this somewhere on there where you can see it. Type 1, inside. This is the part that's important. Oh, that looks terrible. That looks like a third grader write that. Inside. Okay, inside. And it's so easy. It says this. If you get 2 little toothpicks that cross inside, they have a weird little property that happens. And it says that this little piece times this little piece, A times B, weirdly is going to equal this little piece times this little piece. And guess what? That's the whole lesson. And I like it in words. So what I am going to tell you is I think of it sometimes as top times bottom. So write this underneath if you can fit it in there. Top times bottom. And then imagine that you twist your circle around and it equals top times bottom. That is all the learning that you have to do today. All we're going to do is practice some problems. Now, I've spoken to some of my friends already. This really is a split lesson, and here's why. When you go to Algebra 2, when I taught Algebra 2 for like 6 years, I review factoring in Algebra 2. But in Algebra 2 Trig, when you see a problem like this, they say, remember from algebra, do it. And that's it. So I am putting some factoring problems on today. If you are a friend heading to Algebra 2, you will not have to do them. If you're a friend heading to Algebra 2 Trig, you need to review this with me and I'll help you. Okay, so we got 4 problems, 4 basics. Are you ready? Super easy first one. Wait till you see how easy this is. It is literally top times bottom. So x times 10, right, equals top times bottom. 15 times 14. I do not know what 15 times 14 is. Can you do it on your calculator for me?
Doesn't matter if we go 14 times 15.
It does not matter. It can. Is it 210? So guess what? 10x equals 210. This cannot be any easier algebra 1. Like it can't be. You are all so good at this. X equals 21. And guess what? That's all you had to do on that one. Guess what you got to do on the next one? You got to do the same thing, but this time you got to plug it in. But on this one, we're going to have a little bit of distribution. Are you ready? Here comes the next one. We're going to say 4 times 5x minus 1. Ooh, a little bit of baby distribution equals 6 times 6. Guess what? That's no lie. That is algebra 1. You know how to do that. Let's do it. We're going to go like this. 5 times 4. We're going to get 20x. Gina, do this with me. I'm good at it. I need to do it. Okay. 4 times negative 1. Negative 4. 6 times 6. 36. It cannot get easier than that. That is literally what you did in 7th grade. You all know how to do that. Let's move that 4 over. Let's divide by 20. I'm going to do it with you. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. I'm going to say 20x equals 40. I'm going to divide by 20. You got it. It is 2. Now here is where I will be sad, is if you put 2 as your answer, because I'm going to have to take off a point. Why? I got to plug it in. I got to find this guy to this guy. I got 4 already, so I'm going to take that 2 right here, and I'm going to get 5 times 2, which is 10, plus minus 1 is 9. So 9 and 4, 13. Is everybody cool how I did that? Oh, you good with me? Yeah. I plugged it in and I added it with the 4. You guys okay on how I did that? Oh, good question. B to D, I got to do this 4. Boom. Yeah, I got to be honest, Willow, I did 9 last night when I was doing these myself. I'm like, 9. And I thought, oh, forgot the 4. So that's it. Let's put it this way. I did that too. Okay, little bit trickier. Here we go. Can you try this one? We're just solving for X. I'm going to let you start this by yourself. Here's what I can tell you. A lot of distribution. You got 2 things of distribution. Give it a try. I'm going to see everyone writing. Everyone's writing. Anthony's writing for me. Remember what it is. It's top times bottom. I put that 8 on first. That's me, because I like the way that looks better as a, like in my head. And then it is, you got it, times 6. I wanted to change colors there. Sorry. Let's see if I get a new color. Boom. That's all you have to remember. It's just top times bottom, top times bottom. Ah, that wasn't even English. I am going to do this problem in a minute, but I'm going to stop talking and let you try it.
72. Wait.
It is 72, and 72, oh my God, you get the dumbest answer ever.
Yeah, wait, there's 2x.
Equals,
0.
and then divide by 2.
0.
X is 0. Yeah. Sorry, that's a dumb answer.
60.
I should change that. I'm going to do it though. If you're like, where the heck is she getting that from? Boom, watch what I did. Little bit of baby distribution. Love that for me. 6x, 72, minus the 6x, minus the 6x. Ooh, forgot him. 2x plus 72 equals 72. Minus, AJ, you're good at this stuff, man. Your algebra skills are good. X equals 0. Okay. Really? I don't mean to be mean. Tucker already came by once today.
Oh, I know you. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. No, hang out. You're fine.
Just hanging
No,
out.
you're fine. Yeah, just hang out. Hey, come back.
I'm respecting your
No,
wishes.
come back. Come
Come
back.
Sit
Come
right
back.
here.
Yeah, sit
I
right there.
definitely don't want to sit next to you.
Yeah. I'm fine. I would tell you if I was.
You just did.
I'm just, and you know what? This is all on tape. It's on tape.
Oh.
You think I'm lying. So if anyone listens to it. Okay, so here's what. My sweet potatoes. We are done with the basics. So I am going to pass out the homework for those of you who are heading to Algebra 2. For those of you who might be going Algebra 2 trig, we're going to try a slightly harder one. Are you guys cool with that? So if you are going to Algebra 2, my sweet potatoes, let me tell you what you're going to do. If you're heading Algebra 2, you are doing 1 through 8. 1 through 8. But if you're going Algebra 2 trig, we're doing a little bit. And if you're not sure, stay with me for a minute. 1 through 8 if you're not going to Algebra 2 trig.
Yeah.
1 through 8. Right?
Yeah. And he's like,
You're getting something to watch.
those are so funny. With like the ping pong ball and they put it back on. Yeah.
Going Algebra 2.
Is Algebra 2 or Algebra 2 straight? This is
Thank
You are definitely, you're doing Algebra 2 trig, correct?
Yeah, you're water.
You may.
Oh, I knew that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you are watching me.
You smaller than that.
Okay, you ready? For my friends, if you are not going to have your two tricks, you're just going to be quiet for a minute. You're going to start your work 1 through 8. You're going to get your homework done. Have no homework for tonight. Here's what happens on this bad boy. When we do this one, sorry, we're going to do this one, number 5. Here we go. Number 5 is a little dicey. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same exact setup. Is everybody with me? We're going to do top times bottom, right? X minus 4 equals top times bottom. 5 times 12. We got 60. Bless you. That was a good sneeze. Okay. Little bit of distribution. And here's where your heads are going to explode just a tiny bit. But you guys got this, my friends. X squared minus 4x equals 60. I'm going to stop and take a breath and make sure everybody is with me. That's okay.
You divide by 4.
Did you see what are you cool to this point?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what's going on now. When we have an x squared that doesn't go away, we have to do that factoring stuff. Is everybody with me? So what we want to do is get everything over on this side. We want it to set equal, you got it. So we set it equal to 0. X squared minus 4x minus 60 equals 0. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to take a breath. This is from the 3rd quarter of Algebra 1, but it's been a hot minute since you've seen it. So I'm going to remind you of this thing. Ooh, factors of 60 that subtract to make 4. And I'm going to give you a hint on it because there's a ton. I'm going to tell you one of them is 10. Can you figure out what the other factor would be? 6 and, right, so here's what we do.
Wait, what?
I need 2 numbers that multiply to be 60.
Oh,
It is, and here's why it's negative, because it's going to be a negative 4. Will, fiery goodness. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Are we okay?
Yeah.
So now this is what y'all have. X minus 10, X plus 6. Now what you used to do, and your algebra teachers taught you good steps, but Mrs. Tarantino is a step skipper. To get our answer out, it comes out opposite. So the opposite of negative 10 is going to be positive 10, and the opposite of positive 6 is going to be negative 6. Now watch this. Here's our big finish. This is geometry, and geometry is real stuff. We measure real stuff. It is not humanly possible for us to go negative 6 inches. You can't do it, right? So the nice thing in geometry, whenever we get a negative answer like this, guess what we do? We cross it off.
Oh, the answer is 10.
The answer is 10. So my lambs, I'm going to walk around and help when you get there on number 9. Here's it. Here's the assignment for my friends who are challenging themselves. If you're challenging yourself, your homework is 1 through 7 odd, just the odd ones, 9, 10, and 11.
Oh my God.
No, it's not. They have to do 1 through 8 odd. Everybody cool with what we're doing? Okay, we're starting on say Mr. Rosas, top us out. Say goodbye, have a good day.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
That's what I like to hear.